Okay, viewers. Today I'm going to present question and answer program for Business Communication Chapter 3. The first question is, which of the following is not one of the 7 C principles? A. Completeness. B. Communication. C. Correctness. D. Conciseness. The answer for question number 1 is B. Communication. Question number 2. What is the principle of clarity in communication about? A. Being specific and vivid. B. Being polite and ethical. C. Ensuring that the receiver understands the message. D. Providing all possible details. The answer for this question or question number 2 is C. Ensuring that the receiver understood the message. Question number 3. Completeness in communication ensures the inclusion of which key element? A. The 5 W's. Question: who, what, where, when, why. B. Additional goodwill information only. C. Immediate response. D. Humor and engagement. The answer for this question is choice A, the 5 W's. Who, what, where, when, why.
Question number 4. Why is conciseness important in communication? A. To ensure politeness in message. B. To save time for both sender and receiver. C. To include as much information as possible. D. To make the message appear professional. The answer for question number 4 is B. To save time for both sender and receiver.
Question number 5. How does the principle of courtesy affect communication? A. It improves the use of facts and figures. B. It ensures the use of ethical statements only. C. It strengthens the relationship by being thoughtful and considerate. D. It eliminates all barriers to communication. The answer for question number 5 is C. It strengthens the relationship by using thoughtful and considerate. Question number 6. Which statement represents the principles of correctness? A. Using concise statement to avoid repetition. B. Avoid slang and using appropriate language labels. C. Ensure emotional appeal in every message. D. Include vague terms to save space in the message. The answer for question number 6 is B. Avoid slang and using appropriate language label. Question number 7. You want to ensure your message is complete. What should you do? A. Use long sentences to include all detail. B. Answer all stated and implied questions. C. Focus on only on the main points. D. Avoid providing additional explanations. The answer for question number 7 is B. Answer or stated implied questions. Question number 8. Which of these examples violates the principles of conciseness? A. Attached are the required document for review. B. Please find the document that you need for your upcoming review and feel free to let us know if there are any additional documents that would should submit for your better understanding. C. Here are the documents for your review. D. The documents have been attached for your reference. The answer for question number 8 is B, which is long sentence. Please find the attached document, blah blah blah. Question number 9. How does a lack of specific fact in communication impact correctness? A. It enhances the readability of the message. B. It results in vague and unconvincing message. C. It reduces the receiver's understanding of the grammar. D. It makes the message polite but incomplete. The answer for question number 9 is it results a vague and unconvincing message. Question number 10. Evaluate the following sentence for conciseness. We are writing this email to inform you that we received your application on Friday last week and we will be contacting you for further clarification. A. The message is concise and professional. B. The message is polite but overly wordy. C. The message uses improper tone for business communication. D. The message lacks factual information. The answer for question number 10 is B. The message is polite but overly wordy. Question number 11. How would you evaluate a business message for correctness? A. Ensure it includes all necessary information about the sender. B. Check grammar, punctuation, and factual accuracy. C. Add detailed explanation to address all potential questions. C. Use emotional appeal to engage the receiver. The answer for question number 11 is B. Check grammar, punctuation, and factual accuracy. Question number 12. What changes would make the following sentence more concise? Due to the reason that our system is correctly down, we are unable to process your payment at this point in time. A. The system is correctly down, so processing your payment is delayed. B. We can process your payment not because our system is down. C. System issue prevent payment processing now. D. All of the above. The answer for question number 12 is D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Question number 13. Which believe the expression can make the following statement more correct? A large number of employees were affected by the layoffs. A hundred of employees were impacted by the layoff. B. Some employees were affected. C. Employees experienced change due to layoffs. D. A big impact was seen on the employees. The answer for question number 13 is a hundred of employees were impacted by the layoff. Question number 14. If you wanted to follow the principles of consideration, which phrase is more appropriate? A. We will need additional document to process your application. B. To finalize your application smoothly, could you share additional documents? C. Additional documents are mandatory for processing. D. Without documents, we will reject the application. The answer for question number 14 is B. To finalize your application smoothly, could you share additional documents? Question number 15. What would be the most courteous way to respond to a delay shipment inquiry? A. Your delayed compliance is being looked into. B. We regret the delay and are working on resolving this for you. C. The delay is not our responsibility, but we will still assist you. D. Please check your track for more information. The answer for question 15 is B. We regret the delay and are working on resolving this for you. Question number 16. How does integrity enhance the principles of correctness in communication? A. It helps to avoid grammatical mistakes. B. It ensures truthfulness and trust in message. C. It simplifies the tone of the message. D. It replaces ethical considerations in message. The answer for question number 16 is B. It ensures truthfulness and trust in messaging. Question number 17. What is a practical barrier to achieve clarity in a message? C. Providing specific example. B. Using too many technical terms or jargon. C. Include colorful visuals. D. Avoiding grammar checks. The answer for question number 17 is B. Using too many technical terms or jargon. Question number 18. To promote clarity in written communication, a sender should A. Use familiar words and short sentences. B. Provide excessive illustration and example. C. Focus solely on personal opinion. D. Skip the usage of visual aids. A. Use familiar words and short sentences. Question number 19. When composing a concise email, what principles should you prioritize? A. Include every possible detail. B. Avoid unnecessary repetition and wordy expression. C. Writing long introduction. D. Using multiple explanation for simple pointers. The answer for question number 19 is B. avoiding unnecessary repetition and word expression. Question number 20. Which principle ensure factual accuracy in figures and language? A. Courtesy. B. Completeness. C. Correctness. D. Consideration. The answer for question number 20 is C. Correctness. C. Correctness. Okay, viewers, the question and answer for chapter 3 is all about. This is all about. This is all about question and answer for chapter 3. Thank you, viewers.